Dear students, in the last video we discussed about subsistence or primitive subsistence agriculture. Today we are going to discuss about intensive subsistence agriculture. The basic difference between the two is that it is intensive subsistence. That was a primitive subsistence and it is intensive. Intensive means gahan in Hindi. Gahan means intense means where we have to put better inputs in the agricultural sector. Better inputs means we have to invest more money, we have to use agricultural equipments. It is labor intensive crop, so it means we need to engage even some outside labor for growing crops. So this kind of farming is based on the intensive labor as well as other agricultural equipments. We also use lot of chemical fertilizers. Irrigation facilities are also required for this kind of intensive agriculture. Actually, this kind of agriculture is practiced in densely populated areas. Because there is a tremendous pressure on the land to grow more crops for more population or for more people. That's why we have to use better inputs. Better input means more labor, as it is labor intensive agriculture. Okay, it's labor intensive agriculture. That's why we need to have more labor. We need to use agricultural equipments like tractor, harrow, tiller, etc. We need to use chemical fertilizers. And pesticides, rodenticides, weedicide, insecticide, etc. Okay, we also need to use HYV seeds and irrigation facilities. Okay, here in this kind of agriculture we are not, or we cannot depend on monsoons. We need to provide more irrigation facilities or water supply to the fields. And the problem with this kind of agriculture is small sized land holdings. It is all because of right of inheritance. Because of this right of inheritance, the land of the father or the property of the father is distributed or divided among the children. So because of right of inheritance, the size of land holding go small and small day by day. Okay, so this kind of agriculture is practiced in the area of densely populated areas. We need to use better inputs, agriculture equipment, chemical fertilizer, high yielding variety of seeds, irrigation facilities, and here we grow more than one crop, okay, even two crops, somewhere three crops. In areas of Punjab, Haryana, even 4 crops a year. Okay, so this is all about intensive subsistence agriculture. Next is commercial farming. Commercial farming. Commercial farming, as the name suggests, whatever is grown, it is grown for the market. It is for the market. It is not for the individual's consumption or for family's consumption. Rather, whatever is grown, that is grown for the market. जो भी उगाया जाएगा वो मार्केट के लिए उगाया जाएगा, बेचना है मार्केट में. And the main characteristics of this kind of farming are almost the same. We need to use modern inputs. Like we used over here better inputs, here modern inputs. Modern inputs means same almost, more labor, especially migrated labor. Okay, here this is the difference. In this kind of agriculture, local labor may be sufficient, but here you need to have migrated labor. Then the same high yielding variety of seeds. Okay, chemical fertilizers, almost the same whatever we are using over here, but the difference is here the amount may be comparatively less, but here the amount increases. There is not that much difference. So the same thing are used over here, but here the size of the land holding, the size of the land holding is big. ओके, जिसको बोलते हैं प्लांटेशंस. इसमें जो हमने केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज़ किए हैं, साथ साथ में हमें चाहिए कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट. हमें पैसा इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा चाहिए. मोर कैपिटल इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, बिकॉज वी हैव टू हायर माइग्रेटेड लेबर एंड वी हैव टू यूज़ मॉडर्न मशीन्स, big machines you need to use. At the same time, as the processing is also done on the same piece of land, so we need some extra money to be invested in commercial farming. Here one thing you must keep in mind, the crops which might be commercial for some reason, it might be only subsistence crop for the other, like rice. Rice in Haryana is or Punjab is a commercial crop, but here in Odisha it's a subsistence crop. Like maize, makka. Maize in UP is a commercial crop, but maize in Arunachal Pradesh is a subsistence crop. So the type of crops we grow, it depends on the type of climatic conditions. At the same time, the use of that crop decides whether it is subsistence or commercial. Different areas have different crops as commercial or subsistence. So plantation is a commercial farming, and in this type of farming, as you know, a single crop is grown. A single crop. A single crop is grown on a large area, and the plantation has an interface of agriculture and industry. Agriculture and industry. Because whatever is produced in the field is processed in the industry. Like tea plantation. whatever you grow in the field is processed there itself, is processed in the same field or same piece of land. That's why it has interface of agriculture as well as industry. Okay, so all the produce is used as a raw material in the respective industries. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana. टी के अलावा कॉफ़ी, शुगर केन, बनाना, rubber, all these are plantation agriculture, and they are grown for commercial purpose. Tea in Assam, North Bengal, coffee in Karnataka are some of the important plantation crops grown in these states. Since the production is mainly for market, a well-developed network is required. Network of transportation and communication. Okay, so we need to have well-developed network of transport and communication to connect the plantations with the processing areas and with the market. Okay, so market, plantations and processing units all need to be connected with good network of roads, railways as well as communication, so that whatever is required to be sold anywhere can be done easily. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.